Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Circle K sip and save account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in circlek.com/inner-circle and press enter. You will now be taken into the Inner Circle website for Circle K. Now from this page, if you scroll down, you will see the sign up online option as well as the sign up for free button. You can click on either one of these and now you will be taken into the sign in as well as sign up portal. If you don't already have an account, you can simply use your phone number to register. And in order to log into your existing account, simply type in your phone number within the given box. Then click on the Let's Go button and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone. Just check your SMS and you will find this code, which you can enter within the next screen and proceed forward with logging in to your account. If you face any kind of issues, you can click on the Contact Us button in order to get in touch with the support team, and they will be happy to assist you with any problems that you are facing in regards to logging in to your Sip and Save account with Circle K. And there you have it. That is how you can log into your Sip and Save account on Circle K. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.